Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be installing Frunk Molle panels on my Cybertruck. So without wasting too much time, let's take a look what's in the box and get it installed on the truck. Alright guys, here you go. So this kit was sent to me from Tlyard, and thank you very much for sending these to me to get them installed and reviewed. So basically what you get in the box is you get obviously two Molle panels, all the hardware to get it installed, the manual, and it was nice of them to send a couple of microfiber dowels as well in the kit. So that's nice. Alright, so let's go ahead and get everything unboxed and start getting installed, and I'll walk you all through step by step. Alright guys, so I went ahead and got everything unboxed and sort of organized a little bit. Basically what you get is you get two of these brackets, two large size brackets, two small size brackets. You get, oops, don't drop that, 6 of these type bolts, and obviously I'll show you how to get them installed on the truck, and obviously equal amount of nuts and washers, and then 6 hex bolts and washers as well, and you get a few left over just in case if you lose something or something gets stripped. So and the hardware to get it installed, right? So very straightforward as per manual. Everything looks really easy. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get everything, all the brackets installed, and then Molle panels installed. Alright guys, so the brackets are installed. Couple of things. So my recommendation, get them obviously pre-assembled loosely, then get them aligned, and they are literally going the bottom one all the way to the bottom and top one is all the way to the top, so there's really no need to measure, just push it as high as it goes with there's like little stoppers on the bottom of these things, so just push it all the way down, push it all the way up, get it lightly tightened. Obviously get these things installed as well. Again, pre-assemble it. There's enough space in the hole in the top piece to get the bolt in to one side, and then just get basically again lightly tightened. Take a panel, just align it, make sure all the holes are aligned properly. There's enough space there. If you look here, you'll see that the top hole has a much wider opening, and so does this portion right here, so there's definitely plenty of wiggle room. Okay, just get it, like I said, get it measured, make sure the holes are properly aligned, and that's it. Alright guys, so the Molle panels are installed. As you saw, the install is very straightforward and very simple. It just got 6 bolts to get the brackets in place and 6 bolts to hold the Molle panels in place. Just get everything aligned. It aligns actually very well. There's not much of fiddling you need to do with this. Took me 5 minutes to do. So very, very simple, very straightforward install. It's a nice little addition to the truck. So for those of you who follow my channel, you already seen probably that I have a center divider with Molle installed in my bed already. It's got a bunch of accessories there. I'll put the link to the video if you haven't seen it yet. But yeah, I mean, things like shovel and fire extinguisher and axe and some other things. So anyway, but for something like this, what I would use it for, probably like a mat kit, maybe like an accessory kit of whatever you think that you could need, to access pretty quickly. Without opening the truck bed and whatnot. I'll quickly show you. I already have like a grab bag that I carry in the front trunk with all my mat kit accessories and things like that, just in case. But I'm considering that I may actually get another quick access mat kit just to throw in here, and maybe a few other little accessories with Molle attachments. So this is my grab bag. I always have it in the frunk. But basically, fully opens up. Got the wound dress kit, the brace, and a bunch of bandages and shears and bunch of different things. In fact, I actually already have a little Molle panel here that holds, my little other pouch here as well as the gloves. But again, this is a little bit more extensive kit that I carry with me, and for a quick access, just with like bandages and alcohol pads and things like that, you can get them installed, on your Molle panels here. And that's it. Yeah, so it's a very useful thing. Now, if this is not what you want to install it, I live in Jersey, so New Jersey is not quite as friendly to the firearms as, more free states, if you will. So yeah, so if you live in one of those states, you can definitely have your rifle mounted here, or shotgun, or whatever it is that you'd like to have in your frunk. I'd love to have one of those, but unfortunately here it has to be concealed, and I just can't ride with it like that. So very unfortunate, like I said, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna use it for other things, and that's pretty much it. All right, guys, so that will do it for today. I'm going to leave the link down below to the product and other products that Tlyard sells on their website. I'm going to leave a discount code as well, so you can save some money. So as always, if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.